Day 2 of the State of Florida versus Sarah Boone began with jury instructions, followed by testimony from Dr. Sarah Zidowitz, a forensic pathologist. Dr. Zidowitz, who performed the autopsy on George Torres, stated that the cause of death was positional asphyxia with environmental suffocation. She was unable to determine the exact time of death or whether blunt force injuries contributed to Torres's passing. The state presented exhibits, including photographs and a body chart, to document the injuries found on Torres. Toxicology reports showed that Torres had a blood alcohol level of 0.139, well above the legal driving limit in Florida. During cross-examination, the defense questioned the significance of Torres's alcohol levels, the lividity observed on his body, and whether his injuries could have been caused by a baseball bat. They also suggested that his pre-existing heart condition might have been a contributing factor to his death. Later, Meredith McCaskill, a senior crime lab analyst with the FDL, testified about the DNA analysis. She confirmed that DNA samples from Torres's fingernails matched his own profile, and there was no foreign DNA. Boone's DNA was confirmed from samples taken from her own fingernails. Janella Waden, a digital forensic examiner with the Orange County Sheriff's Office, testified about data extracted from Boone's phone. The evidence included timelines of app usage and text messages, as well as videos showing Torres inside the suitcase, which Boone has claimed was part of a game gone wrong. The defense cross-examined Waden, focusing on the technical aspects of data extraction and how the timeline of events was reconstructed. The court also dealt with several procedural issues throughout the day. These included a disruptive audience member who was excused, the defense's objection to admitting a recorded interview into evidence, and the need to convert evidence from USB drives to CDs. Additionally, a defense motion for a witness to appear via Zoom was denied. The day ended after the jury viewed the recorded interview of Boone. The state is expected to rest their case tomorrow, with the defense likely calling Boone to testify sometime around 10 o'clock or 10:30 in the morning. In summary, the state continues to present evidence suggesting Boone's actions directly led to Torres's death, supported by autopsy findings, DNA evidence, and digital evidence from Boone's phone. Meanwhile, the defense is raising questions about the time of death, Torres's alcohol levels, and his pre-existing health conditions in an effort to paint Boone's actions as potentially unintentional. As the trial progresses, all eyes are on how the defense will continue to challenge the state's evidence and whether Boone's testimony will alter the course of the case.